From the Weather Watcher studio, here's a special weather forecast.
Good evening, Rutgers. I'm Weather Watcher Greg De Boer. We are still following this storm out from Kentucky all the way to Ohio. The only severe thunderstorm warning that is still left up right now is in Ellie, south of Dunville. This is in Kentucky. And the ones in Ohio have left us, but strangely enough, we still have our tornado warnings. The one that was just in Cambridge as we are recording this has just changed from Cambridge to a little bit northeast of Cambridge. Looks like it's heading to Freeport. We still have our one down here in Blue Rock. So be on the lookout if you are in these areas. These are radar detected, not spotter confirmed yet. So if you can, please contact whoever you need to make sure, if you know who to contact them to get these spotter confirmed. All right, and as we're looking at the current radar, you can see that we do have a bit of activity north. You can see some of these hook identities, or some things that look hook identical. And if we look back down at Kentucky, we still have the same severe lines of storms. They're a little bit dying out towards the Virginia border, but we're really focusing on this up here, this long band of storms. This could be a long night. We could have a lot more coming after this. You see these two here? That's what we're looking at right now for our tornado warnings up in Ohio. So we're looking at the velocity. As we can see, green is going towards radar and red is going away. We don't have much. Differentness, whatever, red and green in this area, which is what you would typically see around a tornado warning. A little bit of variation where they'd be contracting each other. But no, right now it's actually all going towards one direction. So still keep an eye out though, because that doesn't mean that that's not there. As we're looking down towards Kentucky as well, you can see this is where our tornado warning was. That is now gone, but that also still is all going in one direction, so there's nothing different there. It's the same as before. Looking towards here, this is the correlation coefficient, and you can use that to detect how big stuff is in the atmosphere, or more debris rather. And as you can see, we don't really have much going on. We might have a little bit down here. Usually the lighter areas are where you're going to see more of debris, but as you can see, it's kind of everywhere, and not everywhere obviously has a tornado warning, and this one's gone by now. So as we go up towards Ohio, we can see there's clear signatures right here of yellow, and that's what we're looking at right now. And I said, we pointed, the new warning is up here, and you can see this yellow spot here. So we might have a pretty good signature for that. And as we go down here, which is where our other one was, you can see this big yellow spot as well, which is another part that we might be looking at. All right. Thank you for signing on.